All right, so first step, beet, ginger, cucumber, and carrots. First thing I'm going to do is plug it in. Then I'm going to turn it on. Then we're going to put it in. That's how you turn it off. Let's take a closer look. That's how much carrot juice we got. About 15 ounces. I still have to put these in, but she doesn't like these, so I'm going to first pour hers out into a glass. This has a tendency to drip, and you don't want to get it on the counter because it'll stain it. So I kind of put this in here like this, and that kind of keeps it from dripping. And then I'm going to pour hers, and that's going to be for her. And now we're going to finish ours. Cheers. Do it right here. Here we go. All right, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to make stuff.